So hi guys, so today we're unboxing the Brother F440e Embroidary machine. It's used for doing embroidery. It's a fantastic machine. So today, let's go and see what's in the box. As you can see, I've tried to open it up, but decided to show you guys what it's actually used for, what is actually in it. Okay, in this we have our manual and how to go about it. Yeah, we have a manual as well on the machine, operating manual for the embroidery machine F440e. I can't wait to start using this machine. I'm so excited and getting this. And it came with one large hoop for embroidery, and also here's stabilizers up there too for your doing your work. And then let's see what's inside. That will quite help. And hey, voila, I bought under very large frame for the embroidery. It's very large, extra large in fact. It's an extra large 30 by 13 centimeters. Very large. See, and that's that one. Here for large embroideries, and also I got also a small embroidery size as well. You know, oops, you know. Yep, and also we got, I think I got yeah, I got those three of them. And then here's a cable. It came with a cable. You know, they plug straight into the machine, and also, oops, yeah, that's the side of it. Yeah, I'm just watching, making sure it's not damaged or anything. Yeah, and that's just it. That's the one. And here, okay, this is just the cover. It came with a cover as well, so you can just keep it safe and clean at all time. And also here we have, woo, it's kind of heavy. Here, this is now the embroidery machine. Wow, I'm so excited. Yes, here is what it looks like. So we'll keep it aside in the corner and take a real look at what we got. Okay, here it is. Yes, this is the embroidery machine. So we'll put on the paper it came with. Okay. Take out that one. Okay. And that one you just that's what it looks like. You know. That's what it looks like. So what we need to do to plug this one. Plug it in. here. It's not plugged. I plugged it in. So yes, and here is a touch screen where you can make various things, showing you what you can do with embroidery. You know. See? So you can also use USB to it to create things that you want to do. So it also has a built-in designs where you can create anything you want to do on it, you know. So also take this off. Take that off. Take that off. So, take that off. So. Here is where you put in your threads, and each time you want to do any work, so you know. So I'm excited. I can't wait to start playing with this baby, you know, start doing things with it. So tune in for more creations, okay? God bless you until I see you again. Remember, it has got that one to use the hoops. So yep, for that one. And remember, you also have your embroidery threads. So in this, I'll be in this video, I'll be teaching you, in this channel, I'll be teaching you loads of skills. So tune in for more creative ideas on what to do. So until I see you again, here is my new embroidery machine. Says for us to raise something up. So. You see that? You see that? You select what you want. One. All right, so that's it. So I see you again. God bless you. Peace. God bless you.